Hey, what's up, guys? This is Logan A-Bomb from... Fuck, I fucked that up really bad. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Logan from Logan A-Bomb, and I'm here to bring you some original Black Ops gameplay footage. Capture the flag, not capture the flag, Team Deathmatch, I believe. No, it might actually be, kill confirmed. Was there kill confirmed on Black Ops? I think there was. Oh no, you'll see it. It's not really that big of a deal because I feel like talking instead of guessing what this gameplay footage is. It's that I don't remember, but whatever. Alright, so I made a video probably months ago talking about whether or not I believe that console gaming will die. Okay. And I think what I ended up saying was I think we have a few more consoles to go through, a few more console cycles to go through before console gaming is totally dead, before it's totally gone. Sorry. I don't think it will be gone anytime soon, but I do want to kind of update on what I said, and I do think that Android-based consoles and Steam boxes and PC gaming, mobile gaming will take over. But I don't think console gaming will die due to the fact that people like the convenience of just having a console and a console only. Because we all see what happens when we try to cram a bunch of features into one device. It gets expensive, it gets complicated, and it gets annoying. Okay? That's fact. So a prime example is PC gaming, okay? A computer. It can be amazing, okay? PC, I have a computer. So before any of you PC elitists out there go, "Oh my god, PCs are the best." You know, shit your pants over it. I have a PC. I built it myself. Probably about $600 to $900. Okay. At Walmart, before I go on, Walmart does have cheap PCs about as powerful as mine for like 300, maybe even more powerful for like 400, because they're trying to compete with people who build computers, which is good on them. But most people don't know that. And generally, a computer about as powerful as mine will run to $1,000 to $2,000. Mine was 700. Mine was 800 to build. And that's including shipping and handling. If I lived in an area where they had all the parts, I live in a small town, so I don't have everything available to me. Shipping and handling would probably be a lot cheaper. Well, no, actually, there would be no shipping and handling. The parts would probably be a lot cheaper. So I've been in hardware stores where like the pieces are more expensive online because of shipping and handling, which you need shipping and handling. I suggest shipping and handling if you're ordering hardware. Okay. Even if buying a computer is cheaper by like $200, I do actually suggest building your own computer. But having somebody help you if you've never done it before so they don't fuck up. But because it's a good skill to have. Anyway, so yes, gaming computers can cost anywhere from $500 to over $1,000 basically, depending on what you're buying and what you want to buy and what you're into. To a lot of people, that's a turnoff. And not to mention, most people, you know, they just want to slap $300 down and have something that they know is gonna work with a bunch of games, and then you're set. You don't have to worry about all this shit. And yes, the features are nice to have on a console. Yes, I watch Blu-ray DVDs or Blu-ray discs. I watch movies on Blu-ray on my PlayStation 3, but I didn't buy the PlayStation to have it as a Blu-ray player. And honestly, I use it to game more than I do for my, than, you know, as a DVD player. But when I do get Blu-ray movies, I watch on my PlayStation 3. Also, I do use my consoles for Netflix. I do. It's convenient that way, rather than turning on a computer. But one thing I don't use my consoles for, not my Xbox 360 or my PlayStation 3, is YouTube. I don't care about YouTube on my console because there's times I just want to listen to music on YouTube and play my console at the same time, and I want to be able to mute it in an instant. Even if it was like to where I could have YouTube and play a game at the same time, I still wouldn't use YouTube on my console. I don't like the idea of using a controller Maybe if I had like a mouse and a keyboard plugged in, I don't know, but I'm just not using YouTube on my console. Maybe if I'm really lazy, don't want to pull out my laptop or go to my desktop or go on my phone, then, you know, I wouldn't. I mean, you know what I mean? I would use my console for YouTube, but I generally don't. And another prime example of why we're not ready for all-in-one devices or mobile gaming, which is, you know, mobile gaming has come a long way, and some mobile games do look great. But look at the success of the Ouya and other Android-based consoles. How many of them actually did well? I mean, yes, maybe the Kickstarters did well, but in reality, it just wasn't. It didn't appeal to people. Even though, yes, some mobile gaming is great, but the thing about the Ouya and Android things is that nobody is going to develop AAA titles for them. Whether or not you like it, people like AAA titles, hence the Halo series and the Call of Duty series, okay, and then some other ones, Battlefield, Gears, I already said Gears of War, Resistance on the PlayStation, on Sony's side, and I already said Halo and Gears of War for Xbox's side, Killzone for Sony's side, okay, and multiplats, like I said, Call of Duty and Battlefield. People like those AAA games, and are you really gonna play on a device like an Android? Because those games take a lot of space, and people aren't gonna, you know what I mean? They're not gonna fucking waste their space on their phone for it. And then Android consoles alone, I mean, games like Angry Birds, Flappy Birds, and you know, games like those did sell extremely well. You know, for the casual gamers and some major gamers who just who don't care and they'll play any video game. You know, true gamers, like those are like hardcore true gamers in my opinion. Not hardcore gamers, but hardcore true gamers. There's difference. They might be interested in the Ouya or stuff like that, but. And another prime example is the Xbox One. They tried to implement so many features into that console that it wasn't even a console anymore. That turns people off. So I'm just saying we're not ready for it, but I do see maybe in the future when cloud gaming, because Steam is successful and Android market might be successful, and then Apple might even have their own console with their own cloud gaming service. So I could see it, but just not now. We're not ready for it. Anyway, that's my take on it, and that's all for my time. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Peace. Have a good one.